role of construction in modern society. Construction is one of the most essential industries.
Here we go. Hold on, Sticks. Here's your cam, Sticks.
Without construction, there would be no cities, no transportation systems, and no about improving the quality of life. Homes provide schools offer places for children to learn and grow. Hospitals give people access to life-saving medicine. Offices provide people work. The construction industry is a significant role in the economy of every nation. It creates millions of jobs worldwide, from engineers, architects, electricians, plumbers, and painters. Construction also supports many other industries, real estate. In developing countries, construction is often included driving railways, airports,
Workers' Daily Event Collection.
Construction projects provide a long-term return on investment. For example, this increases productivity, access to education, healthcare, and architecture defines the skyline and creates a sense of place. Think of the structures are not only engineered, but also cultural sites. Accessible schools and public transportation systems can reduce poverty and connect